So I've been trying to learn this new move, but I'm a little stuck. Wait, I think I just figured it out. Yes!
First, open up ComfyUI. On the left side, look for the Templates section, click on the Templates. A new window will open, search for Run On. It's usually the third button. Labeled something like Run On. Click on it. And search for a checkbox ComfyUI. And make sure the ComfyUI box is checked. Next, on the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, set it to newest so you get the latest workflows. You should now see a couple of music generation workflows available. Click on it, it will take you the ComfyUI canvas with all nodes connected. At first, you might see some red nodes because the required models aren't installed yet. But don't worry. We'll fix that by downloading and installing these 3 dependencies. Go ahead and download the 3 model files you need using the links provided in the workflow description guide. Just click on each of them and it will start downloading automatically. Let's name this workflow as music. By giving a proper name to each workflow can help finding them later easily. Once downloading is done, now let's copy-paste them into their correct folders. You'll have 2 text encoder models, move both of them into the text encoders folder inside your ComfyUI models directory. Cut them from your downloads folder, go to ComfyUI Models Text_encoders and paste them there. Now open the download folder once again and cut the newly downloaded checkpoints file, which is stable-audio-3-medium-base.safensor. Now let place it at its right folder, which is the checkpoints folder. Open the ComfyUI Models Checkpoints and paste it inside. Now go back to ComfyUI and refresh the page. The red errors should disappear, and everything should turn clean. Great. Now we need good music prompts. I usually open Grok AI, or you can use ChatGPT and ask it to write down 2 to 3 prompts for production-ready stable audio 3 meditation instrumental music. It gives me excellent ones to work with. Let's test one. I'll copy one prompt and paste it into the prompt box. You can also set the duration here, it's in seconds. For a 60-second track, just type 60. Ignore the seed for now. User reprompt is true for now, and in the reprompt category change it to instrumental. Hit run and let it generate. Once it's done, play the file and listen. I get a full minute of music in under 30 seconds. Listen to how it sounds.
That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye-bye!